Today, I want to show you how Ultraprint acts as a replacement for Epson printers in your browser. This comes handy if your app works with these types of printers, but you want to use another local printer instead. For this demo, we use the OneNote virtual printer, so you can see it happen live. The same applies to any printer you have on your desktop. I assume you've already installed the Ultraprint Hub browser extension and then enabled it in your browser quick access, and also that the desktop app is up and connected to your account. Let's add a printer in the Ultraprint settings and use it as a local POS printer. Notice that the extension detected all printers available in our operating system. Here we only register the one we want to use. Then we tick the Act as Local POS and use the printer we've registered.
Let's see how this works in practice. I'll use the Odoo Online Demos POS, and let's print a POS receipt from a restaurant configuration. The same should work for self-order and kiosk configuration.
We'll simply define an ePOS receipt printer with localhost as an address. That's it, nothing more. Once we save our configuration, we're ready to go.
Now that everything's ready, we're good to go. Let's open a POS session and grab some products for our restaurant customer. He's waiting for us.
It seems like he's got a lot of friends, and everyone's asking for a different drink. Let's be quick and add all these items. We'll print him a receipt right after.
Okay, it's payment time. We'll use cash. Let's not wait anymore and print that receipt. Voila! That's it. Our receipt is out. Notice how snappy it is and how easy it was to get started. That's it. Got questions? Need more information? Write a comment or head to odooskillz.com for more information.